Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Inshallah, today I will start to explain how to use our program. Our program contains two main things. The first is the front end. The public pages we available for public, we call it front end. All pages are controlled from back end. We can add pages, we can delete these pages, we can also edit the contents of the page. Let us go to the backend. I will log in as an admin. The admin can see all features of the program. This is the backend. As we see, we can see everything about the program. Basic data, users data, projects, staff affairs, and so on. But if I am an accountant, for example, I will see only the accounts. I will be able to manage accounts only. Let us talk in general about the program, how to use it, how to shift from page to another. We have the first line here, we can call it main menu. Each main menu has a sub-menu. The sub-menu has some buttons, we can call it navigation buttons. This navigation buttons has no function except shifting from page to another. We can use also the box menu here. It has the same function as above, but I prefer the above one. You can use which one you like. Let us go to another type of buttons here. We can go to user data, staff list. Here, as we see a new type of buttons, we call it action buttons. This action buttons has a function. As we see here, we can add a member to staff list. We can edit his data. We can delete him also. We can send email, send SMS, short message, change access rights for him, and so on. So we call it action buttons. Now let us speak about the main menu. The first line, we call it main menu. The first menu is basic data. The basic data contains company data, branches, server time zone, data years, chart of accounts, and so on. The implementation process must be done first from this menu. It is necessary to start feeding basic data before feeding any other data. Most of other data depending on the basic data. Let us take one example. For example, here the organization chart of the company. It contains master admin, accountant, technical affairs, HR admin, and so on. It is customizable. We can add another level and we can remove it. Okay. This list is used here in a staff list. For example, here if we edit the data of a member here, we can select which user level he is. These levels are described before here in organization chart. Okay, most of other things are used later. Most of these buttons of basic data will be used later on the other parts of the program. For example, these three buttons related to accounts, it will be used in accounts department. These four buttons, it is related to staff affairs and will be used to HR or staff affairs here. So that it's very important to take care about feeding the basic data. Okay, let us go through details now of basic data. The first button is the company data. As we see here, it is very simple form. It contains the company name, website title, country, address, telephone, contacts, number and general, email, and so on. This type of data doesn't need to be changed anymore. So we put it under basic data. The next basic data is branches. We can describe here how many branches we have. We just have the main branch here. We can add another one. Just put the name in Arabic of the branch, the name in English, and so on, address and contact number and these things. Each branch can has its own logo. If we have more than one branch, only the master admin can access all branches, but all other people can only access his branch only. For example, the accountant of the main branch can access only the main branch. The accountant of the second branch can only access the second branch, and so on. The next button is server time zone. The server time zone, it calculates the difference between local Greenwich Mean Time and server Greenwich Mean Time. The time difference is needed to calculate the attendance of employees correctly. Just check this number. If it is correct, click Save. The next button is data year. Every year we have to add another line here. For example, next year we need to add another one starting from, for example, January 1 and ends on December 31. Okay. Now we have two data years. Every year we should have another record here. Each new year it has 12 months generated automatically. Let us check here. As we see, January 2020, 12 months generated automatically. We do not need to create this month. This months will be used later on in payroll and so on.